Eagles. They've got Albert Papenya, Lebron Nieto, Jason Credo, Godslav Onwa. So he misses on that first free throw but makes the second. They give it over to Garcia. Over to Obasa down low.
Yan, konti-konti saka yung bandang third and fourth quarter na eh.
Obasa with a basket and a foul. So, tignan natin ang they. Ooh, nice alley-oop pass to Joseph Obasa.
Second alley-oop.
With this boy. Here's Obasa. Gets
Hindi yung FSAs ang parang nagdo-dominate. Nagje-gel lang. Minsan kasi pangit din yung isang tao lang yung nagdo-dominate sa laro eh. Dito maganda para team effort talaga on both sides.
and ito nga si Obasa already has that was his 9th point. And make that
to shoot para sa mga naka-asul. Obasa cutting and scoring.
That's the key difference. Obasa on that role is capable of receiving those pocket passes.
Trying to find some space, but itong si Obasa ay nasa ilalim.
Decide.
And now Obasa will try his wear sa free throw.
So ang ganda na talaga ng in-evolve ng basketball rin ngayon. And before, it took all the 5 guys on the floor to move all together. But now you're splitting the court into a 3-man side and a 2-man side. 3-man has action, the 2-man has actions. Triggered by any activity that's going on. So it's not like everybody's gonna stand around while the 3 guys...
Pagbababa rito, Lopez nakita si Estrada, will fake. Oh, what a nice block! Mula rito kay Obasa. Meron ng Ateneo para makatira rito as Espinosa.
Good lift.
Well,
That's it,
Obasa
that's
underneath.
So that's kind of like a slot-to-slot pass.
Ay, Decano. Decano, step back, nabitawan ng bola. Deves, pick by Amos.
There you go.
Nakita si Obasa sa ilalim. Good defense mula kay Decano. Ginawa na lang ng paraan, Coach Mike.
Yeah, pero gustong-gusto mo yung patience na pinapakita ni Joseph Obasa.
Player Sean Kivetis, who had a injury on his left lower gum, told me that he is good. He mentioned that he lives for this. What a groundbreaking take back from the coach and the players.
Now they're sinking it.
As Estacio was blocked there ni Joseph Obasa. Paul Garcia inbounding the ball, finding Obasa. Obasa with a big jam!